Hey, take a look at our new product.
A folder?
No, it's as sleek as a folder, which could store files, but it might be the most feature-packed office equipment in history. Let's get started.
It must be a laptop stand.
Yep, it provides sturdy support for laptops or tablets of all sizes. Its slim design makes it easy to use anywhere, including cafe and college campus.
Wow, it even works on my lab.
An iPad stand. What sets it apart is that it elevates the screen to eye level, giving your neck a top-notch comfort experience.
Impressive.
And it works for phones too.
I love that feature.
Let's see what surprises await if we fold it the other way. It is a writing pad, convenient for taking notes, jotting down ideas, and more.
It can transform again. Now it's a display stand?
That's right. Showcase your important documents horizontally or vertically. And when you need a productivity boosting, you can mix and set them up to create a competent workstation.
That's cool. It's like the multi-tool of the office world.
And then take action now.